I'm Anil Kumar, and I have two questions here where we are going to apply the strategies learned to find product of mixed fractions. The strategy which we have learned is to find product of mixed fractions, we can add the partial areas of the rectangle, right? So sum of partial areas will give us the product of mixed fractions. So we have two different questions here. I'll do the first one for you. The other one is for you to practice. Okay, so this is your practice question. And the strategy we'll learn by solving the first part, part A. So here we have a big triangle whose sides are 4, 2 over 5 and 2.5. Do you see that? So when I write like this, it really means that the dimensions of this particular rectangle are, this part is 4 and this part is 2 over 5, and here it is 2 and that is and a half, correct? So what do we have? We have a rectangle whose length is equals to 4 2 by 5, right? So 4 2 by 5, and whose width as equals to 2.5. Do you see that? So if I have length and width, then I can find the area of the whole rectangle, right? So the area becomes length times width, that is equal to 4 2 by 5 times 2.5. You get the idea. So we can actually find product of mixed fractions by finding area of the rectangle. Now area of the whole rectangle is area of these four partial rectangles sum. That's the strategy, correct? So let's find area of each rectangle and then add them up to find the product of these two mixed fractions. Okay, so that is how we are going to solve it. 2 times 4 is the area of this big rectangle. So let me write 2 times 4, which is 8. Half of 4 is 2, and 2 times 2 over 5 is 4 over 5. Half of 2 over 5 is 1 over 5. Correct. So that is how we get 4 different areas. And now we can add them up, that is sum of partial areas, to get complete area. So we can write this as 8 plus 2 plus 4 over 5 plus 1 over 5. And that gives us 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 over 5 is 1 whole, right? So we can write this as 10 plus 1 as equals to 11. So we get 11 units square as the area of the whole rectangle. And that's the strategy we'll learn to multiply mixed fractions. I'd like you to adopt the same method and find the area of this rectangle given to you. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.